In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address in Facebook Business Suite. This is really useful if you've switched to a new work email, rebranded your business, or simply want to make sure important notifications go to the right inbox. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. You can do this by typing business.facebook.com into the address bar and logging into the account that manages your business. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Meta Business Suite homepage. This is your main dashboard, where you see things like your overview, recent posts, and notifications. From this home screen, look for the option to edit your Facebook page. Depending on your layout, you might see a button or link labeled Edit Facebook Page, or something very similar, usually near your page name or in the left-hand menu. Go ahead and click on that. This will open the settings area where you can change details about your page. When the page settings open, you'll see different fields for your business information, such as your name, website, phone number, and email address. Find the section that shows your current email. Next to that email field, there should be a small pen or pencil icon, which is the edit icon. Click on that pen icon to start editing your email information. Once you click the icon, the email field will become active and editable. Click inside the email field and delete the old email address if there is one. Then type in the new email address you want to use for your business page. Make sure it's spelled correctly and that it's an email you actually have access to, since Facebook may send confirmations or important updates there. After you've entered your new email address and double-checked it for any typos, look for the Save button. This is usually located just below or next to the field you've been editing. Click on Save to confirm your changes. When you hit Save, Facebook Business Suite will update your page details with the new email address. If you don't see an error message, your change should be complete. That's all you need to do to change your email address in Facebook Business Suite.